What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, CEO of wolvesacademy.com, the Wolf of Marketing. And in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I'm currently making $500 a day with one of my income streams, leveraging Instagram. So let's get right into the concept. But before we do, actually, make sure to go ahead and hit the thumbs up, not the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to basically get notified every time I drop some new heat. Now let's get right into it. Boom, we're behind the laptop. So currently I made $597 for the day. The other day, $597. So consistently making $500 to $1,000 to $2,000 paydays with this actual income stream. Now let's go ahead and actually show you guys how to do it. Now, first thing that you're gonna need is an Instagram account, right? So basically, how to make $500 a day on Instagram. The first step that you want to go ahead and do is you want to go ahead and pick a niche. One way to figure out what the heck a niche is if you guys go to clickbank.com, what I do is something called affiliate marketing. I don't use ClickBank, but this is a good starting point for beginner affiliates. But not only that, to kind of like figure out what type of niche you want to go ahead and do. So if you look at the category section, there will be all these different platforms, and then what you can do is you can go to the affiliate marketplace, and then if you guys press the affiliate marketplace, one of the benefits of going to the affiliate marketplace is if you guys go to different categories on the side, right, what you can do, for example, is e-business and e-marketing. Just to show you guys an example, I'm about to go to e-business and e-marketing, and I was to go ahead and go to the gravity score, right? There's a 12-minute affiliate system. They currently have 185 gravity score, meaning they've generated 185 affiliates who have generated sales within the last week. Now, why is that important? You don't necessarily have to promote that, but if you go ahead and find that product and you look into that product, there's obviously a demand for this product in the marketplace because people are actually actively selling this product. So with that being said, you can either model a product like this, or you can find another product like this that isn't generating as many sales. But before we get into that, right, if there's products within this niche that's getting sales, that'll show you that that's actually a good niche to enter in, right? So first is we need to go ahead and pick a niche. So do you want to do health, wealth, romance, so on and so forth? Those are the big three evergreen niches. And then what you're going to do is, whether you decide to create your own product or whether you decide to go ahead and find somebody else's product, the next thing is, before we're even talking about making money, is we want to go ahead and become an authority within that niche. So what's the best way to become an authority within that niche is help people solve problems. Where within that niche, whoever's in that niche, right, find people who are trying to solve problems within that niche. So for example, let's just say I picked a relationship niche. Now my whole goal is to build an audience and a tribe of people who know, like, and trust me, right, within that specific niche. So you guys have two options. You guys can either start an Instagram from scratch, or you guys could leverage your own Instagram and become a guru within that niche. So I'll just show you guys mine. Here's my Instagram. I have 33 followers. I'm currently following nobody. And basically, if you look at my actual Instagrams, Wolves Academy founder and CEO, I'm not humble, I'm authentic, the Wolf of Marketing. I'm currently in Melbourne, Australia, right? Now, if we look here, basically, if I scroll down, we have, this is literally just lifestyle. So I kind of do lifestyle marketing. There's different ways you can market and build a brand on Instagram and become an authority. The way that I've established my authority is my target audience is ending one's dreams, goals, and desires to travel, to live life on their own terms, to not have to work a boss or work for a boss, so on and so forth. So that's kind of approach that I take. I built and established my authority as a lifestyle marketer. So I have people know, like, and trust me through the social proof of my actual lifestyle. Not everybody can do that, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a couple of other examples. So one of my favorites is Blame Forex. So he's become an authority within the Forex niche. So what he did is he started doing the actual niche and actually learning the skill set. But guys, let's just say you don't want to do Forex, or you don't want to do the make money online niche. You guys can do different niches, right? You can become a relationship coach, and I'll show you guys an example in a second. But if you became a relationship coach, just start creating content around how to attract the opposite sex, or whoever your target audience is, whatever problem they're trying to solve. Start creating content on your page, teaching them how to solve that problem. The cool thing is that you guys can't teach people how to solve the whole problem within a 60-second piece of content like you can on Instagram, but it's going to go ahead and start building an audience and eyeballs and gathering attention of people who want to solve that problem. So you guys get the point. Basically, over time, he's created content around Forex and generated or amassed a following of 135,000 followers. Another way of marketing. So if we go back to him, right, he's doing a lot of video content. Another one is Rachel Bell. She's a female marketer, and she teaches coaches how to create six-figure businesses using social media. So she has no video content whatsoever. What she does is she creates long-form content. So her most recent post right here, because it's New Year's, she basically said lessons from 2019 and my number one focus for 2020. So she literally has 10 lessons, and then she has her main focus. So what she's doing is she's teaching people how to solve a problem. Her target audience, which are coaches, she's teaching coaches who are either struggling as a coach or trying to become a coach. She's teaching them skills that she's doing to get results, right? So if you look at all her posts, literally just pictures, so you can do the same thing, you can do selfies, so on and so forth. And she writes long form copy, teaching people practical methods that they can apply towards their business. And then throughout that, I'm going to show you guys how she's monetizing it on step number 3. But that's basically how she's building her brand. And if you look at the top here, one thing about any person who's marketing or leveraging their Instagram to market, you're going to notice you can tell exactly what they do for the most part in their Instagram bio. I keep it a little bit mysterious because I'm doing lifestyle marketing, and just in case I ever want to pivot, I can do that. But for example, Jay, you know exactly what Jay does. Jay, basically, I trade Forex futures and options. I also trade live every day. Tune in using my link in my bio, right? So there's one. Then we have Rachel. She said, I teach coaches how to create six-figure businesses using social media. And then last but not least, I want to show you guys something that anybody could do. Like, for example, my girl, Kelsey Ann, she says, I help you heal your trauma and find love, healing the masculine, sex positive vibe. So basically what she does is she's a relationship coach, right? Relationship coach, you know exactly what she does. And she said she helps you find love, right? That's basically what it is. So if you look at her actual page, she literally just has selfies, pictures, and quotes. So all she's doing with these quotes is she has these quotes, and then she has, like selfies. But same thing that she's doing is on one of her actual images, she is literally just doing long form copy. So here's long form copy where she's writing a story, and she's basically helping her target audience solve a specific problem. Who's her target audience? People who want to find love. She's writing in her copy, right? And by the way, what copy is, guys, is persuasion through the written word. So whenever I say copy, that means the words or the text. So she's writing there, basically teaching her target audience how to solve this specific problem. Now, what is that doing, right? That's getting people to know, like, and trust her. Whenever you're providing value, you get people to know, like, and trust you, right? It's like if I open the door for you, you're naturally going to want to go and open the door for me because I gave something to you for free without expecting anything in return. So we do this for people, right? Whether it's teaching them Forex, whether it's teaching them about coaching, whether it's teaching them about relationships, whether it's teaching them how to make money online like myself, right? You're going to become what is called an authority. So an authority is basically, if you think about a real estate agent, right? Whenever you hear real estate, who comes to mind? Whenever you hear entrepreneurship, who comes to mind? Is it like Grant Cardone, Gary Vee, Dan Locke, so on and so forth? These people are authorities because when you say this word, their name comes to mind. If I say relationship coach, I want Kelsey Ann to come to mind. If I say coaching coaches, I want Rachel Bell to come to mind. If I say affiliate marketing, I want ELLIS's name to come to mind. So you become an authority within a specific niche, or if I think of Forex, I want to think of Blame Forex. You're basically establishing an authority around a specific niche, so that way you get people to know, like, and trust you. And now after I have this tribe and this following of people who know, like, and trust me, now I can start to monetize it. And the way I'm going to monetize it is multiple different ways. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a couple of methods that you guys can use. So I'm going to talk about how I do it. So one way that I do it is I sell my own product, which there is an affiliate program behind it. If you guys want more information on working with me and my team, go ahead and click the first link in the description, and you guys will potentially be able to work with me. I'm not working with everybody, but for the people I do decide to work with, you'll be able to actually earn $1,000 or $2,000 paydays. So again, if you guys want to make $500 paydays, $500 paydays, $1,000 paydays, and $2,000 paydays, click the first link in the description. I'll go ahead and give you guys details on that. But basically, the different ways that I monetize that and what I did recently to generate those payments, I use something what is called attraction marketing. So basically, in my actual post, because I built myself as an authority, from time to time I'll go ahead and actually post some of my results on my news feed, and then I'll have a call to action. If I was on my actual Instagram, I'd be able to look at archived posts, but basically look at posts where I posted some of my income results and then have a call to action saying, for example, if you guys want to make $500 a day or $1,000 a day, or you want me guys to teach you, go ahead and comment info below, and then a whole bunch of people will comment info. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and actually reach out to those people, see who's actually interested in the product that I'm offering, hop on the phone with them, explain to them how my product can help them get results faster, quicker, and easier, and then close the sale. So basically it's kind of like high ticket closing. Next is I use story polls. So if you were to go on my stories, like from time to time, I'll go ahead and write some sort of copy, right? Long form copy, letting people know, like, if you're tired of doing what you're doing, so on and so forth, and then have a call to action at the end saying, if you guys want more information, I'll tell them to click on the story poll. And then on that actual story poll, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and actually reach out to that individual and see if they're qualified financially, and then if they're qualified financially, we'll hop on a call and I'll close the sale. So that's the way that I market. Blame Forex, right? The way that he markets is he just creates hella freaking content. He has no call to actions within his content, but he does have co-founded Major League Forex and then Day Trading Secrets. So he has a call to action in his bio. So he has a lot of traffic going to his page. So he just redirects them to his links, and basically in his links, I'm gonna open this tab. I have no idea what it is, but I'm assuming it's going to be some sort of sales funnel. So it's basically MajorLeagueForex.com. So that's one of his companies. And if you look at holiday sale, he has free things and then he has paid things. So he has like multiple different things. He has basically VIP, beginners, and advanced. So if you notice, he's monetizing the shit out of his Instagram. And one thing that you'll notice is everything's congruent with the type of content he's creating. So he's not creating Forex content and saying buy my affiliate marketing course. He's creating Forex content saying buy my Forex course. So last but not least, we have Rachel Bell, who's a freaking rock star. Basically, if I was to open up her actual link in her bio, she has long form copy, and then within her call to actions, she has call to actions to click the link in her bio, and this is basically just an application funnel where you can apply to work with her. After you apply, you'll go ahead and she'll hop on a call, or one of her team members will hop on a call. And I believe her product is a $5,000 product. Now, she currently has basically results, audits, and then basically like OCA. So everything is her story, and then basically like different things within her, like it's just social proof for her actual product. So that's one thing that you want to do. Whatever you can do to provide social proof that your product works. Even if you're promoting an affiliate product, go ahead and show results that other people are getting from using that product. And then if I look at her actual funnel, right, onlinecoachaccelerator.com/join, that's still loading up, so I'll wait for that to load up. While that's waiting to load up, okay, I believe it just came up. So this is basically long form, and then there's call to action buttons throughout this where you can go and join the waiting list. But I'm pretty sure if you join the waiting list, there's going to be some sort of application to where you can apply, and then once you reply, she'll go ahead and actually have her team follow up and close the deal. And then my friend Kelsey Ann, she has literally coaching, spirituality, testimonies, adventures, speaking, mindset. So everything that's congruent with what she's selling. And then what she does is she has Linktree. So we're going to go ahead and see what that Linktree link is. And one thing that I'm not mentioning that most of these people do is a lot of these people who have these big followings like myself, we leverage Instagram story a lot. So Instagram stories, people are constantly watching your life. So you find different ways to actually get people to like tune in. One that's really good, that's killing it for me, is Instagram polls. So she has free Facebook group. She has apply for 6-week beta test, YouTube, 3 ways to attract your things, so on and so forth. So I believe this is it right here, her 6-week program. So that's Linktree. So what she can improve on and what Blame Forex can both prove on is having one funnel. You don't want to have multiple different things that people can do. You want to literally focus people into one funnel. So just how online coachaccelerator.com/join is literally one funnel. So she's literally like focusing energy all on one thing. That's one thing. I mean, she's an experienced marketer, 7 figures compared to 6-figure marketers, right? So if you guys notice, if you go to the link in my bio, so if I go to this link right here, this is going to go ahead and basically get people to my application funnel. So wolvesacademy.com/apply. And basically this is just my application funnel where people are going to be able to apply to work with me. I don't work with anybody, but for the people I do go to work with, there's obviously an investment that is required, and that's where I make money. So I'm driving traffic, but not only am I driving traffic to my funnels to sell my product, but I'm also leveraging Instagram stories. I'm building myself as an authority within my page. And then the biggest ones that the biggest 3 ways that I monetize my Instagram is link in my bio, having call to action posts telling people to request more information and turning those prospects and those leads into customers, and then basically doing attraction marketing with Instagram story posts, having people click the actual stories like for info or yes or teach me or whatever. And then once they go and click the story, I go ahead and follow up with them, pre-qualify them, see if they're a good fit, and get them on the phone, close the deal. But there's so many different ways you guys can monetize, but basically all it comes down to, guys, is very simple, right? There's 3 simple steps. Number 1, pick a niche. Once you pick a niche, become an authority within that niche by providing value to people, helping them solve that specific problem that they're trying to solve through the content you are creating. Then go ahead and sell a product that helps them also solve that problem. But obviously, if I'm creating 60-second content on Instagram and I'm selling a course that has hours upon hours in curriculum, which one's going to go ahead and help them solve that problem quicker? Obviously the course. So that's kind of like you're giving them doses of basically how you're going to be able to help them. And even if you don't have your own product, if you guys are doing affiliate products, right, if you're promoting affiliate products, you can still do this. You can literally go ahead and become an authority within a specific niche, and instead of creating your own product, you just recommend a product that you know is going to go ahead and help them solve that problem. So with that being said, if you guys want to get into affiliate marketing to where you guys are like, well, I don't want to create my own product, I don't know how to get started, like I don't know how to create it, I don't know how to deal with all that. Look, the best route to start, guys, is affiliate marketing. If you guys want to start within that route, go ahead and click the first link in the description. There's a free presentation that will show you exactly what affiliate marketing is, and it'll show you, more importantly, how you can work with me and how I can potentially become your mentor and show you step by step, reverse engineer how I went from 0 to 6 figures online, and how you can too. So click the link in the description, take freaking action, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side.